Hey, what's up? Andre here with a brand new video for you and a brand new method. I'm going to show you how to make $75.22 today online working from home. Yes, by the time you finish watching this video, you're going to see that this is going to be possible for you and you can go out there and you can crush it immediately. So don't try to skip ahead. Don't try to go at the end of the video because you're going to miss out on the important stuff, the tools, the websites that I'm going to share with you. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, hey, welcome. What took you so long? Well, happy to have you here. Smash that bell notification. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. So if you're brand new, let me know where you're from. I like to know where you're from so that way I could say, hey, give you a shout out. And the people that keep watching my video again, time and time again, I appreciate you so much. Keep watching my videos because, whenever I create a brand new video, it's all about value and it's something that you can use and you can go up there and crush it. So as I said, $75 today online working from home, brand new method because despite of what's going on right now, you need to learn a skill. You have to learn a skill so you can bulletproof your business for the future. Who knows how long this is going to be? Who knows if this is going to happen, 2 years, 3 years, another 10 years. What I'm going to share with you, these are skills that you can learn and you can pass it down to your kids, your wife, husband, whatever you have, right? This is something that you can use. So again, $75 today, online working from home. And if you're interested in making more money online, please watch in my videos because I keep coming out with brand new videos. And check out the first link in the description. I'll send you over my #1 recommendation of how I make money, how I learn all these skills from start to finish. All right, so keep watching. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go over to a website that is called Big Spy, right? And Big Spy is a #1 ad spy tool. Most people don't talk about this. Most of the top affiliates don't share this with you. They don't take you and say, hey, this is what you're supposed to do, right? A lot of people are going to see this. They're going to get upset, but I want to do this because spy, again, what's happening, I'm trying to help some people out. I'm giving back right now. So this website is called bigspy.com. And what Big Spy is, Big Spy, they spy on all the ads that are running on the internet, right? It is a paid software and you can also do it for free. So you can sign up for free, but after a certain time, yes, you got to pay for the actual tool. But it is free for, I think, a certain number of searches, like 5 or 10 searches a day. But then after that, you got to wait for an entire day to start searching again. So be very careful how you use your searches if you're going to only use just, right? If you're going to be searching, make sure you figure out exactly what you're going to search for before you go. So I'm going to come back to this tool a little bit and I'll tell you more about that, right? Now you got to sign up for Clickbank. Once you sign up for Clickbank, Clickbank is absolutely free. They have tons of different products on here that you can sign up for. And for this particular video, because I don't want to make it too long, but I just want to get right into it, we're going to go with the e-business, e-marketing, affiliate marketing business. Here's the reason why, right? In this current time and in this current day, shooting this video at this moment, people are looking online and they're trying to find something else to do, right? People are trying to find, everybody's at home, everybody's bored. So this is what you want to do, right? So people are learning. So this program is a great program. It's called the 12-minute affiliate. And if you want to know what it looks like, you could just click on it and it's just open up just like this. So you can watch the video, you can log in, you can put your best email address, you can click start now, get started, and you could watch the entire thing and see how the system works, right? So they give you a lot of information in it for you to go out there and you can start your business. So yes, there's tools and resources and things that you got to get, but it's not a requirement, right? So how we're going to be spying on this ad, right? We want to copy the URL up here. And once we copy the URL, next thing we're going to go over to spy ad, right? And what we're going to do, we're going to click on where it says search. Once it's search, okay, so I need to log in. Telling me to log in. So let me log in real quick. All right, let me just log in. Okay, search. So I just logged in. So here, you can spy on Facebook, Instagram, AdMob, Twitter, Pinterest, Yahoo. So anywhere ads are located on these platforms, you can see the ad copy, and people already made the ad copy already. So you don't need to do anything else. You could see the image. Like, all right, if you look at this one, I'm sure you've seen this person before. You've seen his ads before, right? So you could spy on his ad. You see exactly what he's saying in his ads. You can model it. You can see, all right, the type of shares. You can look at the comments. You can see how much likes. Same thing over here. People are buying this stuff. People are buying this stuff. People are buying, right? Buying. And of course, once you go deeper, that's where you got to do the payment. So this is a 12-minute affiliate. So what we could do is we could type in keywords, right? So let's go 12-minute affiliate, right? And then we go, boom, search, because we want to search on Facebook because that's where we're going. All right, now you see, do you see what I'm talking about? People don't share this with you, but I wanted to share it with you. I want to share my love and give it to you out there. So look, as you can see, this ad is running. The 12-minute affiliate, you can see what he's doing. This guy right over here is running ads. He's running ads, the sales mentor. He's running ads. He's running ads, right? So particular, it's like the same. So you can look and see what they're doing. You can model it. Now you don't have to take it word for word, right? But you see what I'm talking about. You can model it. You can look and see what other affiliates are doing. You can click on the link. You can search it. You can see what they're doing, what the people are saying, and all that. All right. So this is the guy who created the 12-minute affiliate. So if you want to look at this person's ad copy, he's doing good. You know, again, don't copy and paste, but get some inspiration. Right? It's normal. You don't want to copy and paste because eventually Facebook is gonna block you. Right? Now, once you find, you know, an ad, you see what's running, you already know what to do. Right? Next we want to do, we're gonna go over to Facebook, and what you want to do, you want to go over to the business page. Hopefully some of you know exactly how to get to this, right? If you don't know, just go to Google and type in Facebook business page, business manager, and you could just sign up and you could take it. So as you can see, right, running ads, as always, you know, some of my ads, I pause them, some of them I turn them off, right? I have multiple different ads account that I run, okay? So for the sake of this video, let's create the ad. All right, I'm gonna click on it, and whenever I start this, right, I'm going for traffic. And this is brand new. There's a new method that I'm gonna do. So it's gonna be traffic. You can put in, you know, 12-minute traffic, right? Click continue. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to run from, let's go from like 25 to 55. 25 to 50. Excuse me. 25 to 55. Well, I'm gonna come back to this. So I'm gonna go back over here, okay? And I'm gonna look at their affiliate page. So if you click on their affiliate page, attention affiliates, right? You can come down here. You can grab the tools, the link, grab the promotional stuff. So you can click on that. So here are the banner promotional things that are listed down below. Here's emails into your autoresponder if you have to use them, right? So he's giving you everything that you can use. Look at this. Oh my goodness, there's over 16 emails, right? So again, promo codes that you can use. There's the highest overall earning. There's a webinar link. Whatever link that you want to do, you could just click on it and you could get all the information listed. So that's the tools and everything. Once you look at some of the emails, you can look at the emails, get some inspiration, and you can tweak it and make an ad copy. That's most times that's what I do, right? So now I'm gonna go back over here, and for target audience, we want to go with, because this is very good with affiliate marketers. You know, people are interested in affiliate marketing, boom, I'll type that in. So there's 2 million. So I would just keep it broad for right now. And I would type in, let's say, engage shoppers, people who really buy stuff. Boom. All right, engage shoppers, right? It goes up to 1 million. So engage shoppers, who's interested in affiliate marketing. And I would say, who's interested in, let's go with JV Zoo. No. Okay, let's try this again. Suggested, right? Online shopping, let's say digital marketing. Suggestion, affiliate network. Okay, so that's a little bit broad. So now we're gonna narrow this down and we're gonna go with home business. Boom. Man, that was narrow. That was like dropped. Okay, there we go. So they're engaged shoppers. They're interested in affiliate marketing, affiliate network, and they want to start their home business. 1 million. That's a good place to start. Now, once we do that, you can click down here, and we're going to go with manual placements. Manual placements for this particular method, right? I'm going to go with Instagram. And I'm going to tell you why I'm going to Instagram, right? So 960,000 people, that's good for me. Now, we're not going to go with Instagram feed, right? We're not going to go with Explorer. What we're going is the Instagram stories. Stories is hot right now, and it's good when I run traffic because it's just go there. People are going, people are bored right now. They're sitting down, all they're doing is just flipping through. And as soon as they click, they're going to see an ad like this pop up, right? So we always want to make sure that they're on only when they're on Wi-Fi because we don't want to waste money here. They're not on Wi-Fi, I'm not going to run any traffic. So we're looking for link clicks, yes, right? You start your budget at $20 if you have the money. If you don't have the money, you start with $5 a day, right? Start with $5 a day and work your way on up. Now, once you're done, all right, when do you get charged? Impression, or you can get charged for link clicks if that's what you want, right? Which either or. Now we're gonna click continue. It's loading. Once you click continue, right, we're going for Instagram traffic. So you wanna make sure you have your Instagram account. If you don't have one, create an Instagram account, link your Instagram to your Facebook page. So in order for you to do that, you have to create a Facebook page and then link your Facebook page to your Instagram account. I'm hoping that you know how to do that. If you don't, hit up Google and you know how to connect that, right? Now, once you do that, you're gonna get an image, whatever image you wanna use, add an image. Let's say for me, I like to use lifestyle image. So I'll just pick this picture and I'll just pick this picture. Good, boom, there we go. Add copy. I started my affiliate, all right? All right, do you want to learn a 12-minute affiliate process that I like? You could just come up with an ad copy, something that once they see down here, do you want to learn a 12-minute affiliate process? Not too much words. It's gonna fit. We could do that, right? You don't want to make it too long. You can even change this up, right? Call to action, right? Or you can say, are you a struggling affiliate marketer? If yes, swipe up now. Boom. All right, look at that. Pretty simple, right? People are gonna be like, oh, what's this guy got? Something like that. Then what you wanna do, you wanna go back over to Clickbank now. Da 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 da. Oops. This thing is okay. Oh my goodness. Hang on 1 second. All right, so you want to grab your affiliate link, grab that link. All right, once you grab this link, you don't want a direct link, especially when it comes to some of these traffic sources. You would want to, if you have ClickFunnels, you can sign up with ClickFunnels. You can build an autoresponder. You can do WordPress to build a landing page if you're, tech savvy. If you're not tech savvy, ClickFunnels, I highly recommend. I'm going to leave a link in the description. So if you want to sign up for it, to remember I do get compensated for it, right? Income disclaimer, got to throw that out there, right? So this is where you'd put the link. So not this link, but when you create your ClickFunnels or whatever, you would put that link that you create here. But make sure you connect this link to your ClickFunnels. And once you do that, right, you click on the learn, you can click on sign up, right? Yeah, you do sign up and make sure your pixel is turned on, turn on your pixel. And then once you're done, you click confirm and then you're good to go, right? Just let it run, for a couple hours. Don't try to tweak anything or test anything. What you could do, you could duplicate the ads. Once you duplicate the ads, then you could tweak the duplicate ads. But the first ad, don't touch it. Leave it. Because if you start fiddle with it, then it's going to throw off everything. So let it run, let it marinate, and that's how you can make $75.22 right now. So just put it out there. If you don't put it in front of people, ain't nobody gonna buy, period. So I hope this video brings a lot of value. If it does, like, subscribe, become a part of this. And I wish you nothing but success. Check out the first link in the description and check out the next video. I'm gonna leave a video up here that you can watch. If you wanna get a full tutorial of my Facebook, just search Facebook ads, Andre Miller. I create tons of Facebook ads videos, so go watch one of them. They all is the same. All right. Catch you on the next video. I appreciate you. Peace.